My name's Ayesha Khine, and this is my Year 3 Advanced Multimedia project. It's called TheFace. This is my Arduino machine, and these are my faces. Just going to turn my Arduino machine on. So what I'm going to do is just hover my hands over, and I'm going to change the faces on the big board. Just watch. Wasn't that cool? I'm going to show you how to do that at home now and show you all the coding. These are the components that were used. An Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, a USB cable, 4 wires, and a breadboard. This is the complete setup and was made using Fritzing. So let's take a look at the code. Firstly, the Arduino sketch defines the pins of the ultrasonic sensor. This is the range of the ultrasonic sensor. These are the variables for calculating the distance from the sensor to the object. This sets up the serial port connection to processing and defines which pin on the ultrasonic sensor is the input and which is the output. The trig pin echo pin cycle is used to determine the distance of the nearest object by bouncing sound waves off of it. This equation calculates the distance in centimeters based on the speed of sound. This if statement prints a -1 if the sensor does not detect any objects within its range, and it is also used for monitoring. The else statement will send the distance value to be printed in order to monitor. This is also used to monitor the distance in processing. There is a delay of 50 milliseconds until the next reading. So here is the processing code. Firstly, the serial library has to be imported. The COM port string variable is read from the serial port. My port is the serial port which receives the distance information from the Arduino. Distance is used to determine at which distance from the ultrasonic sensor each face will be triggered. All of the face images are loaded into an array called images. Frame cycles through the frames of animation. The random variable is used to trigger the random wink image and is triggered whenever the number is between 90 and 100. The if-else block sets out when each particular image should be displayed in respect to the distance variable received from the ultrasonic sensor via the Arduino serial port. The serial event method reads the incoming messages from the serial port and converts them to an integer in order to be used in the previous if-else statement block. Each of the following blocks of code load in one particular image of the face and cycle through the array while the ultrasonic sensor triggers that particular method. This was done to make it easy to swap each image in and out without complicating the code. Thanks for watching.